guys, what is up? It is Ashley. So today we are going to be trying out a slime recipe. So the first thing we need for this recipe is glue. Pour that into our bowl. Okay, I think that's enough. There's the cover. I lost the cover for a second there. Next thing we're going to need is some Tide. So I hope this works. I really do. Pour in a little bit at a time. Oh my gosh. It is working. It's working. Okay, pour in a little bit more. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at this, guys. It's really sticky, but I mean, look at this, guys. Let me see if I'm making that like nice crackling noise. Now my hands are full of slime. Okay. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And let's try to get this video to 40 thumbs up, because my last video got 30 thumbs up, which is the second most I've ever gotten. My first most was 46. So please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and yeah, have a great day, guys.